Dear students, Namaste, and once again welcome back to another session of online mathematics class. Today we shall start a new topic, chapter 12 of NCERT class 9 mathematics textbook, Heron's formula. Formula is used to find area of a triangle. We already have a formula to find area of a triangle, half BH. Okay, half into base into height. So the formula half BH is applicable when we know the height of the triangle or the altitude of the triangle. For example, in a right triangle we can use this formula half BH, and in an equilateral triangle also we can use the same formula because we can find the altitude using Pythagoras theorem, and in an isosceles triangle also we can use the same formula half BH because in each and every situation we can find the altitude or the perpendicular from any vertex to the opposite side. Right. But if we don't know the altitude of a scalene triangle, then it is too difficult to find the area using the formula half BH. So in that situation, that means in a scalene triangle, we know all the three sides, but we can't able to find the altitude of this triangle. So in this case, we can apply the formula put forward by Heron. Okay, Heron is a mathematician. He put forward the formula, Heron's formula, to find the area of a triangle, especially for scalene triangle when all the three sides are known. Okay, so the formula is area is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Area of the triangle with sides ABC. ABC is given by square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is known as the semi-perimeter or half the perimeter. And it is given by s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. A, B, C are the sides of the triangle, length of sides of the triangle. So half of that, a plus b plus c divided by 2. Half perimeter or otherwise called semi-perimeter. So if we know the sides of the triangle, then we can easily find the area using Heron's formula. So I repeat, Heron's formula is a formula which is used to find the area of a triangle, especially of a scalene triangle with three sides known. Okay, if the three sides are namely A, B and C, then we can put it in the formula area equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Clear? Now we shall discuss some problems from exercise 12.1. Let me start. Here the first question is, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with a side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? First of all, we can draw a rough figure. Here the signal board is in the shape of an equilateral triangle with a side A. First of all, we have to find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So for that we can find the semi-perimeter. S is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Okay, sum of the three sides divided by 2. Here all the sides are same. So 3a divided by 2. A plus a plus a. 3a divided by 2. Okay, normally we have formula a plus b plus c by 2. Here a, B, C all are equal, so 3a divided by 2. So s minus a is equal to 3a by 2 minus a. On cross multiplication we get 3a minus 2a divided by 2, which gives a by 2. And here all the sides are equal, so s minus a equal to s minus b equal to s minus c. Okay, all are same. So s minus b is also equal to a by 2 S minus C is also is equal to A by 2. Now we can write the formula area equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We can replace the value here. S is what? 3A divided by 2. So 3A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2. After taking the square root, we get here A into A is A square. From this 2A, we can take on A outside. And here also 2A, we can take on A outside. Then divided by, from this 2, we can take on 2. Here also we can find on pair, 2 into 2. From this we can take on 2 outside. Okay, 2 2s are 4, root of 4 is what? 2. Okay. So the remaining quantity inside the radical sign is only the number 3. All other terms we take it out. Clear? So what we can write is A square root 3 divided by 4. Or we can write it in standard form as root 3 by 4 A square. It's one of the important formula also. You have to by heart this one. Area of an equilateral triangle with the side A is given by root 3 by 4 A square. I repeat, area of an equilateral triangle with the side A is given by root 3 by 4 A square. Clear? Now the second part is if its perimeter is 180 centimeter. If the perimeter of the signal board is 180 centimeter, then what will be the area of the signal board? So first we can find the side of the triangle from the perimeter. So perimeter, we all know perimeter is the sum of the three sides of the triangle. So it is 180 centimeter. And in order to find the side A, we can divide it by 3, and which gives 60 centimeter. Now we can find the area. Area is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Here value of A is 60. So root 3 by 4 into 60 square. 60 square. So root 3 by 4 into 3600. We can cancel this by 4. 900. So it is equal to 900 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, the area of the signal board with the perimeter 180 centimeter is how much? 900 root 3 centimeter square. Clear? Now we move on to the next question. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So just look at the figure. Here you can see one flyover and the two parts, triangular shaped portions. One of the portion is hired by a company for advertisement. Okay. The dimensions are given 120 meter, 22 meter, 122 meter. Okay. Just take the triangular portion only. You can take the side of the triangles as ABC. Here 122, 120, 22. So A is equal to 122, B is equal to 120 and C is equal to 22. Now we can find the semi-perimeter or the half perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Here 122 plus 120 plus 22 divided by 2. And which is equal to 264 divided by 2, which gives 132. Now we can find S minus A. S minus A is equal to 132 minus 122, which gives 10. S minus B is equal to 132 minus 120, which gives 12. And S minus C, 132 minus 22, which is equal to 110. Okay, these are the values of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C respectively. Now we can substitute the values in the formula, Heron's formula. area equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, so area is equal to root of s into s is 132, so 132 into 10 into 12 into 110. So we can write like this. 132 can be written as 12 into 11 into 10 into 12 into 11 into 10. 110 can be rewritten as 11 into 10. Now we can make pairs and we can take the numbers out. Okay, we can change the radical sign. So 12 comes 2 times inside the radical sign, so we can take one 12 outside. So 12 into, similarly we can take one 11 and one 10. So we get 1320 meter square. So this is the area of the triangular region. Okay. So it is given that the advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. That means in 1 year the advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000, and here we have to find it for 3 months. Okay, so the total rent here is, if we multiply the entire area by 5,000, we will get the rent for 1 year, but here we have to find it for 3 months. Okay, so this is for 1 year, and if we divide it by 12, we get what? The rent for only 1 month. Okay, if we divide the entire quantity by 12, we will get the rent for 1 month, but here we have to find it for 3 months, so we have to multiply by 3. Now this result will be the final answer. Okay, 1320 is the total area. We multiply by 5,000, we will get what? The rent for 1 year, and if we divide it by 12, we will get the rent for 1 month. Again we multiply by 3 in order to get it for 3 months. Clear? Now we can divide this one. 3 and 12 we get 4. Again we can divide 4 and 1320. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 0. So 330 into 5,000. We can multiply. So we get 1650000. So 16,50,000 rupees. This is our answer. Clear? Here the next question is, there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. Okay, so here is a park and this triangular portion, dimensions are given 15, 11 and 6. This portion is painted in a color and a message is written, keep the park green and clean. We have to find the area of this triangular portion. Okay, you can easily find the answer. We can take the sides as ABC. A is equal to 15, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 6. Now what we can find? We can find the semi-perimeter or half perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Here it is 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2. And which is equal to 32 divided by 2, which is equal to 16. And S minus A is equal to 16 minus 15, which gives 1. S minus B is equal to 16 minus 11, 5. And S minus C is equal to 16 minus 6, 10. Now area is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is equal to root of 16 into 1 into 5 into 10. Now we can factorize this one. 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then into 1 into 5 is 5. Here 10 can be rewritten as 5 into 2. Now we can make pairs and take the square root. Okay. So here one pair, here one pair, here one pair. So 1 2 into 2 into 5, then root 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 20 root 2 meter square or square units. Okay, this is the area of the portion painted in color. Understood? Now the next one is find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So two sides and perimeter are given. So let us take the two sides are A and B. A is equal to 18, B is equal to 10. And perimeter is given as 42. We know perimeter is the sum of the three sides of the triangle. Right. So from this we can find the third side C. C is equal to 42 minus sum of the other two sides. 18 plus 10. So 42 minus 28, which gives 14. Okay. Now we can find the semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Or you can directly put the value. Perimeter we know it is 42. So 42 divided by 2. So 42 divided by 2, which gives 21. Now S minus A is equal to 21 minus 18, which gives 3. S minus B is equal to 21 minus 10, 11. And S minus C is equal to 21 minus 14, which is equal to 7. Now area is equal to root of S into, that is 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. 21 can be written as 7 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 7. From these two 7 we can take one outside, and from this 3 we can take one 3 outside into root 11. So 21 root 11 centimeter square. The required area or the area of the triangle will be equal to 21 root 11 centimeter square. Okay. Now we move on to question number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. And its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Here the ratio is given. That is A is to B is to C is equal to 12 is to 17 is to 25. And perimeter is given as 540 centimeter. So from this we can take the value of A as A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x, and C is equal to 25x. We know the perimeter, so we can write 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. That is 54x is equal to 540, or x is equal to 540 divided by 54. We get 10. So x equal to 10. From this we can easily write the values of A, B, C. A is equal to 120, B is equal to 170, and C is equal to 250. Okay. Now we can find the semi-perimeter S. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Half the perimeter. Perimeter is given 540. So 540 divided by 2. And which is equal to 270. S minus A is equal to 270 minus 120, which is equal to 150. Then S minus B is equal to 270 minus 170, which is equal to 100. And S minus C is equal to 270 minus 250, which is equal to 20. Now area is equal to square root of S into S is 270, S minus A 150, S minus B 100, S minus C 20. Okay. Now we can factorize the numbers inside the radical sign, square root. 270. 270 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 10. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 10, 270. Okay. And 15. 15 is 3 into 5 into 10. 100. 10 into 10. Then 20. 2 into 10. Now we can make pairs. Here we can take on 3 out. Then 3, 3. Again on 3 out. 10, 10. On 10. Then again 2 tens. So 1 10 out. This 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 10. So again we can take on 10 outside. Okay. Now everything is taken out. So we can multiply this one. 3 3s are 9. 9 then 3 zeros. That is 9000 centimeter square. Area of the triangle is equal to 9000 centimeter square. Okay. Now we move on to the last question in this exercise. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter. We all know what is an isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides are equal is known as what? Isosceles triangle. Here the perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter. And each of equal sides is 12 centimeter. The equal sides we can take it as A and B. So A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 12. Find the area of the triangle. So first of all we can find the third side. C is equal to, we know the perimeter. So 30 minus sum of the other two sides, 12 plus 12. So 30 minus 24 which gives 6. Now we know all the three sides. So we can write the semi-perimeter first. S is equal to 30 by 2, 50. S minus A is equal to 15 minus 12, 3. S minus B is equal to again 15 minus 12, 3. And S minus C is equal to 15 minus 6, 9. Okay. Now we can find the area. Area is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And which is equal to root of S is 15. So 15 into S minus A, 3 into S minus B, 3 into S minus C, 9. We can factorize the terms. 15 can be written as 5 into 3, then 3 into 3. 9 can be rewritten as 3 into 3. Now we can group 3, here also 1 3 out, then into root of 5 and 1 3. 5 3s are 15. So 9 root 15 centimeter square. So our final answer or the area of the triangle is equal to 9 root 15 centimeter square. Okay. So that's all for today. I think you understood the concept. If you have any doubts in any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.